Hey friends, ready to grow your brain today? It's time to unlock another powerful word, right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is verify. Can you say it out loud? Verify. Let's go. Let's spell it together, ready? V-E-R-I-F-Y. That spells verify, great job. Verify means to check that something is true or correct. Here are some words that mean the same as verify. Say it with me. Check. Confirm. Validate. Approve. Prove. Affirm. Authenticate. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more power to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of verify. Ignore. Doubt. Deny. Disprove. Disagree. Refute. Reject. Pause here and review the antonyms, so you know the opposite of verify. Here's a great example. Sofia verified her answers before turning in her quiz. Let's review. Verify means to check that something is true or correct. Synonyms. Check. Confirm. Validate. Approve. Prove. Affirm. Authenticate. Antonyms. Ignore. Doubt. Deny. Disprove. Disagree. Refute. Reject. You're doing such an awesome job learning new words. Remember, every time you use verify, your vocabulary gets stronger and stronger. Here's your challenge. Try using verify in real life today. Maybe verify your answers on homework, or verify a fun fact you hear from a friend. See how many times you can use it. Big words like verify help you sound confident and smart. The more you practice, the more your words can shape the world around you. I'm so proud of you. Keep shining, keep learning, and get ready for another exciting word tomorrow on Word Up with Sophia.